Before using UseState, let's just use function instead of this inline function and try to decrease the count. Just type const decrease as our function name, declare the function and count -1. Also, let's display it on the console. Okay, let's move this console log decrease to inside the decrease function. And now we can use the decrease function like this directly. Let's try. Click the minus button. We can see the value is changing on the console, but it isn't displayed. Why is that? It's because React is UI library. It's not directly manage the variable changes and display it. It needs something to track the variable changes, which is UseState hook. Before going to that, let's change our inline function for increase. Okay, using count +1, let's follow the format increase and count equal count. Use the increase on click. Just to make sure once again, let's try this. Decrease, increase. Okay, it's working, but again, the value doesn't change on display. It's time for us to use UseState hook to track the variable value changes. You can use it by typing array count, set count, and UseState, and import it. Don't forget to import it, and set the default value 0. UseState gives you the value and how to set the value, which is set count. So in decrease function, we can set count -1, and increase, just set count +1. In the background, it will change the value of the variable and let the UI know, so it will render the UI with the new value. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it's working, but why the value is different on display and the console? It's because the value isn't updated yet when we show it to the console. It got displayed right because it's managed by the React, right? That's why the UI just rendered when the value already changes. But this kind of process making us confused, right? Let's fix that in the next episode. Before that, don't forget to update to GitHub like usual. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.